Hey, this is Luke from RiG'd Supply, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the UltraSwing and go over some of the refinements we've made over the past 6 years. So let's grab something to open this box. Not this. Nope. Cool. Not this. All right, I guess this will do. All right, so when you open up your box, you're gonna find a wheel plate box if you ordered a wheel plate, your hardware box, and underneath this custom-made insert that we make in-house along with all of our packaging, which also allows us to do more recycling, you'll find your UltraSwing. So let's get into it. So here we have a wheel plate. You may not be using a wheel plate with your UltraSwing. There are other uses for the UltraSwing other than just being a spare tire mount. But if you ordered a wheel plate, it's gonna look something like this. This is our multi-fit wheel plate. And as you can see, it has a machined front plate here with nutserts that slot in here, lock in position, and allow you to take your spare tire on and off each time without fidgeting with holding nuts on the backside. Also, you'll notice there's a pass-through on the wheel plate now, so you can access things like a camera if you want to relocate it into the center of your spare, or a third brake light. Also, inside the wheel plate box, you'll find a sticker sheet. And in addition to some stickers, you'll find a QR code. Scan that QR code, which will take you to our website link for all installation videos and additional guides. You'll also find the wheel plate hardware bag, as well as grease for installation of the UltraSwing. Every UltraSwing now also includes a stainless steel license plate relocation kit that plugs straight into your 4-pin connector without any cutting or splicing of wires needed. Okay, so any other accessories that you may have ordered, like our Ultra Table or Rotopax mounts, those are all gonna fit for the most part inside this box and all ship together. There's a few exceptions to that which would ship in separate boxes. Let's get into the rest of the UltraSwing. Okay. In case you're wondering, the UltraSwing weighs 65 pounds, but this is a little awkward, so let's put it in a stand. Okay, that's better. Now let's get into some of the other details. Before we go any further, please remove this shipping bolt. This is not part of the UltraSwing. This is here because sometimes the drivers of big white and big brown trucks get a little wild, and this ensures that all holes of your locking open position stay round in the event that this box gets absolutely slammed on the ground. And since we're here, let's talk about the pivot of the UltraSwing. We now use an oil-light bushing, which is self-lubricating and very temperature stable in even extreme heat or extreme cold environments. And the oil-light bushings, along with the solid steel machined hub, allow you to fine-tune the tension to your preference, whether you prefer an easier swinging motion or wanna cinch it down in the event that you don't want this thing moving too freely when you go to open it. Our patented billet latch features a chromoly link, heat-treated pins, and a custom USA-made ODI grip that also allows you to customize to any other lock-on mountain bike grip. Our vertical channel now also features a pass-through hole that can go through your wheel plate and allow for mounting cameras or a third brake light straight through to the center of your spare. You still have all of the adjustability of your wheel plate, as well as provision for Rotopax mounted directly to the front side of this arm if you choose to not run a spare tire. Our patented secondary hitch allows you to swing any 2-inch bike rack out of the way with or without a spare tire. To back up our patented billet latch, we have our secondary safety pin tethered to a magnetic fidlock buckle, which also serves as your locking open hole positions. The secondary safety pin is housed in a stainless steel machined bump. The injection molded glide block allows it to close no matter if it's fully loaded or just coming out of the box. The lower receiver has been tow rated to the max a 2-inch hitch receiver can go to, which is 10,000 pounds and a 1,000-pound tongue. On the back side of the UltraSwing, we have our solid machined zinc-plated wedge, as well as 2 hitch pin holes that have been slightly oversized to accommodate a wide tolerance range of vehicles' hitches and ensure ease of installation every time. And something to note, unlike a hitch-mounted tow ball where the hitch pin is taking all the load, the UltraSwing's machined wedge, when properly torqued to 85 foot-pounds, is the primary way that the UltraSwing stays rock solid in your hitch. The hitch pin is just there for safety. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 714-820-9444 or shoot us an email to support@rigsupply.com. We're a small team of real people that would love to talk with you about how we can better support your rambling needs. See you out there.